What's up, y'all? Back with another video. Thank y'all for tuning in again. So just going over my brief little thoughts about the crypto market at the current time. So right now we're looking at Bitcoin. Today is July 11th, around 2:30 Eastern time. Bitcoin's around 2350. Ethereum's right around 204 or so, 200 hovering around there, bouncing back and forth today. Litecoin's around $45. ETC is 1766, and Dash is at 170. So we've seen the continued downtrend of ETH over these last few days, few weeks, month or so. And it's around 204, as I said right now. I don't know if this is the bottom. I don't think so. I saw an article on Cointelegraph recently. So, we've been suspecting that these ICOs are probably the reason for the pump of Ethereum and also the recent downtrend to where it's been cut in more than half from last month's value. So a lot of these big ICOs have been cashing out Ethereum to pay for different things, pay for their office space, whatever, what have you. And just recently, another pretty big ICO got finished. Tezos looks like they raised about 232 million in Ether over the last few days or week or however it's been. I haven't really kept up with that one particular. And we should expect, within the next couple days, they're probably going to want to start dumping some of that Ether, or not them, selling some of that Ether to hedge, for any further downtrend, or, selling the fiat to start to pay for things they'll need for the project. So that's probably going to happen within the next couple of days. 232 million of Ethereum, a portion of that being sold off in this time, in this time of the year, especially, could have a significant effect on the price. That, along with the Pillar token being having their ICO within the next couple of days, which seems to have grown in popularity, we could probably see, maybe a sell-off from that as well. Because I think they raised a few million just in like 46 million or so in like 40 minutes the other day. So it may not be as of a large of ICO as Tezos, or something we've seen in the past, these other coins that have just recently sold off, but definitely possible that this is not the bottom. This is a temporary break. I think if we do shoot below that 175 mark or so, we're probably going to go down to at least 130, I would think, just based on how I see the market. This is not any technical analysis, but just based on how I think of people's emotions and how they're feeling. And if we break below that 130, I think that $100, or even for a moment or two, for a minute or two, I think we could even see below 100 So this might be a time where you want to set up some buys, have a little cash on the side, or hedge a little bit into some other coins. So I've started doing that when Ethereum hit 400. I started to buy into more Litecoin, into ETC, and into Bitcoin. I really started with Bitcoin first, and then I started to go into some of these smaller coins, and it saved me some of my profits. So I'm pretty much all out of Ethereum now. I'm looking to buy back in when I'm assuming this happens, this second drop, third drop, whatever it is. I'm assuming it's going to happen within the next couple of days, week or so, maybe over the weekend. We know usually past few months, trading has slowed down on the weekend and picked up sometime late Sunday afternoon or so, Sunday evening, East Coast time. So could be, we could be heading a little bit further south as far as ETC prices. That along with this whole fear of the BIP 148 or whatever it is through from Bitcoin. When Bitcoin falls, I would expect the whole crypto market to fall. Maybe some of these coins like LTC or ETC may be able to hold up better than some of the smaller coins. But I think we're probably going to see a dip in everything if Bitcoin starts to go down, as we approach that hard fork, soft fork, whatever it ends up being. So, yeah, that's just my thoughts. I think once we get through this, we'll continue probably the uptrend sometime in August, possibly right after the BIP 140 or SegWit is activated on Bitcoin. Whatever this shit is, I don't really know. I'm not really that technical of a person. I'm really just, excited about the effects it'll have on us, and also I like making money with it. So I just think people have a lot of unsurety about what's going to happen with that. I think, ETH having some other ICOs cash out over the next few days, next few weeks, week or so, we could see another drop in the price of altcoins. So, this is a time to be buy on the way down, because we don't really know when it's going to bottom. And try and hedge if you can, or just hold. If you are not in dire need of the money, if you can wait until September for prices to come back up, I would do that. If you haven't sold yet, I wouldn't sell now. But if you have sold, like I did, I sold around 360. I started to sell my Ethereum. 300, I sold some more, and even at 260, I think I sold the last of it. So we're hoping that comes back pretty soon. But if not, we'll just continue to buy on the way down. As soon as we see a turn, which will probably be after August 1st, will probably be a pretty safe time to figure it's definitely hit the bottom. Prior to that, we don't really know. It could jump up at any time. People could respond differently to the soft fork, hard fork with Bitcoin, and they could put money in the ETH or Litecoin, or ETC. But I'm assuming it's going to be a downtrend, at least for a short term, over the remainder of this month. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Yeah, crypto market is still here. Don't fear. A few months, 6 months from now, we'll be thinking about the summer and preparing for the next summer. because I think this is probably what we'll have to deal with in the next coming years with crypto. Lulls in the summer, Ethereum selling off after huge ICOs, and if we're aware of it, next year we could definitely make more profit off of it. So thank y'all for tuning in. Follow me on Instagram at legal_Jones. Hit the subscribe button below. Hit the notifications button. And, hit me with a comment. Let me know what y'all thinking. Let me know what y'all think about, my thoughts. What you guys think what are you doing? And we can all learn from each other. So, y'all keep buying that crypto. Oh, and also, follow me on Steemit. I'm gonna start going harder with Steemit. So my Steemit name is the real Mr. Jones. So definitely follow me on Steemit. I follow back, and let's try and build a little community to start supporting each other. So y'all keep buying that crypto.